Yay, we're here at the dog park. I just have two today. There's one other person down there and some people just left. Yay. I can pretty much go at my own pace now because I have my older dogs with me and not my husband because he likes to run and he knows I can't breathe, so poop time. I keep forgetting a lot of you that are on my YouTube are not on my Patreon. Oh my God. You missed a lot. Well, I don't know. It's just drama anyway. But today, I didn't even get a chance to post this. I got a phone call this morning that my granddaughter's school was letting out early because there was a shooting threat. So now they're going to be doing school at home until the investigation's over. So that's what happened today. And I haven't been sleeping well, so I feel like shit. It's just, y'all know probably from videos before that I hate where I live. It's too noisy. I have insomnia. I can't sleep. I wake up from noises and movement. So it's I've been battling that. So I haven't been feeling well. My emphysema's gotten worse. So it's harder to breathe. That's kind of a little update. My one roommate got kicked out. He's, I think, leaving in the middle of the month. And then my brother-in-law almost got kicked out because he's been just drunk binging like usual. And he hasn't been working, so... And then he's saying he can't pay his rent. And my husband doesn't really care who you are. But again, you know, he is giving them chances. More so than he would my kids or whatever. But, ooh, let's get a shot of this water. It's flowing pretty hard. We've had a lot of rain off and on, so it's a little higher than usual. So, another thing, if you probably don't know if you're not on Patreon, is that my husband's been taking the dogs to the park in the morning. Oh my gosh, I got all these little walnuts here. Oh, it's walnut time. Time to fall. Hopefully not. Those things just make you fall because you just like step on them and they just roll right out from under your feet. But anyway, he's been taking all 5 dogs to the park because I'm not going to deal with them. And so I just decided today I needed to get out in nature, so I got to take these 2. But, oh yeah, and Bandit, he's been attacking Benny for like the last 2 weeks, almost every day. So that's going to be a problem. I can see it. It's going to be like another Missy Bella situation when my daughter had her other dog. Benny got hurt last night. I had to pull him off. And like I couldn't breathe. I had like chest pains the night before when that happened. And like I couldn't breathe at all. I thought, oh my God. And nobody was there. I thought I was gonna die. Oh, poor Benny right here. He was hurting last night. Gosh, something's going on down there. Hopefully not a fight. Just this little bit of walking. I can't really breathe. But when I don't sleep well, just get like 4 or 5 hours sleep, I can't breathe. Even better, even more so, you know? So that's not a good thing. What is that? Get out of there. Get out of there, Ben. No. No. Oh, these trees fell down or blocking the path, kinda. Come on, Ben. Don't get lost. He tends to do that lately. Where you going, Ben? There you go. So I just want to mention too, if you guys want to join my Patreon, it's only $1 and it's usually in the link in the description. You know, and then if you hit the like button and subscribe, it helps the channel. So hopefully I can be starting up more videos like I used to do. But I usually put more on Patreon because like the little clips and stuff. And sometimes I do like, what are they called? Shorts on YouTube. So, Benny wants to go in the water. Come on. This is how he gets a dirty belly. After he does that, it picks up all the sand when he's walking around the park. And then he gets a dirty belly. But he likes just chilling in the water. I don't know where Bella went. She went around the corner. You ready, Ben? Bella's leaving without us. Oh, here she is. Hi, Belle. She's like, I'm tired of waiting for you. Benny's just chilling. You ready? I don't even know what I have my camera set on, because once I push the button, it usually gives me options to like zoom in and out, but I might have on where it's taking up a lot of space, which I think gives it better quality, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to touch it because it's been pretty good lately. It just takes up more space. Benny, he's getting arthritis too. I think in his front legs he's stiff when he gets up and stuff in the morning especially. And he can't go up and down. He can't jump down because that hurts him. Come on, Belle, out of the mud. Don't drink that muddy water. I'm not sure if we're going into the woods today because I'm not feeling the greatest and I still have to go to the store, so we might just turn around and head back. At least they got out for a little bit. They haven't gone out in a few days actually because my husband hasn't been taking them. I think, it's funny because like when I had the other dogs, he didn't seem to want to go to the park at all. Like rarely at all. But now that I got the puppies, he was here like almost every day, and I think it might be wearing off. So I don't know. And the mosquitoes are getting ruthless right now. So if I go into the woods, they're gonna be worse. So I might just sign off here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Hi.